This question was quite unpopular amongst candidates according to WIKI learning, and it goes, a ray of light is incident on an air glass boundary at an angle theta. If the angle between the partially reflected ray and the refracted ray is 90 degrees, calculate theta given that the refractive index of glass is 1.50. Okay, I think starting with a diagram would help us. Let's say this is the boundary, air, glass. Okay, so this is the normal. Okay, and the incident ray comes this way at an angle theta. Okay, while the partially reflected ray goes this way. This is the partially reflected ray, and the refracted ray, let's say, comes like this. Okay, although it should bend a bit, and the angle between them is actually 90 degrees. So let me take this a bit, bending towards the normal. Yeah, the angle here is 90 degrees. So this is the refracted ray. This is the partially reflected ray. This is the incident ray. Okay, so if this is here, I can tell you for sure that if this place is 90 degrees, as we can see with this right angle triangle sign, then the angle here will also be theta. But the angle here, which is okay, yes, sorry, not theta actually. The angle here will be, because this is a full quadrant as well, the angle here will be 90 minus theta, all right, to give us the angle here. All right, why? Because here is almost vertically opposite angle. All right, so this means that our angle of incidence is theta, our angle of refraction is 90 minus theta. So if we use Snell's law to work on this, we'll see that according to Snell's law, n is equal to sine I over sine r, okay, which will be equal to sine theta over sine 90 minus theta. And if this is the case, then we'll be using a trig identity that says that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So if we use that, this will now be equal to sine theta over cos theta. By another trig identity, sine over cos is what? Tan theta. I hope this is clear at this point. So if this is what we have, then we'll proceed upwards, or okay, I'll continue the solution this way. Okay, so it means that 1.5 is equal to tan theta. All right, and theta will be equal to tan inverse of 1.50. So, and tan inverse of 1.50 would give us 1.5 will give us 56.3 degrees, and this is our final answer for theta. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.